that gave me a ring in the ears. Oh, that
jeez, man.
I shot him right in the neck.
Oh, we should go around the backside. They know
we
we're
can't.
here.
We have to go into it.
Really?
We have to.
Okay, you know what? I'm throwing a nade their way.
Good.
Did we see if they're this way or that way?
They're down this way.
Down the hall that way?
I've peeked that way. They're not there. Yo, let him through.
This way or this way?
Deep. Actually, go this way.
Right go! Get that shielded. Get that shielded.
Alright, I'm coming out.
Dude, what the fuck are we supposed to do? We're like, we can just go one by one in here.
Watch straight ahead.
Okay,
Move.
Go. Down that way. Hit! Right in the...
right in the fucking eyes.
Holy shit.
You guys are getting fucked up.
Oh yeah.
We have to all as a team just go.
Yeah, like no holding back. We just gotta
Everybody
move.
just line up and
Second
go.
you die, just get right out of the way.
Yeah, just like get right in here and just move. We just gotta get through.
Right.
That's up. Yeah, there. Holy fuck. Okay.
Oh, you
You fucking closed the door and everything. Go.
Go.
Okay, move.
Prison clear.
Wait, go through.
Downstairs clear.
Okay, let's move. Downstairs clear.
Downstairs clear!
Downstairs clear.
Bathrooms.
Bathroom's clear!
Bathroom's clear. Okay. Alright, let's hold these stairs. We gotta get moving up.
Pretty sure, yeah. Just gotta watch the nades. They throw a nade in there. It's
If they throw an 8, everyone just back up. Yeah, nice. Okay, move. Watch the window at the top.
Right up!
Wow! Oh fuck.
I'm dead.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Oh.
I'm dead. I'm be dead.
Did I get you there?
Straight in the hand.
I'm sorry.
I'm wicked.
Through here. Yeah. Okay.
Check your left.
Honestly, I'm thinking.
That's a grenade launcher. Someone's grenade launcher. One of them up there.
Careful with your laser.
Okay.
Yeah. Watch out. Jake, watch out. Jake, move.
They're saying throw it. Straight
Just
up.
up to the front of the stairs.
Up to the right, but we all gotta rush with it.
Okay.
Go with it then.
Is everybody ready to rush after?
Go.
Okay.
Wait for it.
Push!
Go. Hold the top window. I've got the window. Move.
Cover this.
Top window.
Hit! Coming through. My bad. No, you're good.
Take point. Somebody take point and I got a nade. There I go!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh fuck! Hit by my own fucking nade! They kicked it back!
Oh, bitch!
Let's go, there's only one or two left.
Okay.
There's one left.
You cover front, I'll get right above you, right after.
I've got this window. Throw it on the top.
I've got 6 covered.
Okay, move. I've got the window. Good.
Back room. Back room.
Wait, no, that's not.
Is that it?
Wait, is that game? That's game. Fuck yeah, boys. That's game.
We don't have it yet, but fuck it.
Go.
Is it our team or their team? Oh, it's their team. Contact straight ahead. Oh, bruh. There's no mag in my gun. Fuck. That would fucking help. Where's our flag?
Literally right there.
Where?
Right there.
On the ground?
No. Buddy's got it.
Oh.
It's just gonna
Move that flag up! I'm waiting for the fucking tag in to come in here.
Oh, that'd be brutal.
There's our flag.
Oh yeah, he's coming. He's here.
Okay. Okay, get five.
How long does it have to be here?
You need to get 5 people in here, at least.
We have 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. We need one more.
Fuck, wait. Yo, we need one more! Keep that flag out there. Never ran so fucking hard in your life.
Contact bushes!
We need one more in here! Yo!
I got a malfunction!
We need one more!
I need to back
Move
out.
it!
Contact on the right.
Okay, we got 5. We got
I got a
5.
weapon malfunction. It's fucking jammed.
Okay, we got 5. We got 5. And our flag's still out there. How long do we have to be up here for? Like a minute?
That's like 30 seconds, but...
Phil, I guess you won.
Is your gun off recoil?
Yeah, it's GBBR.
Shit!
You wanna shoot it?
Talk about money, yeah.
Give me yours. What's yours? Spectre arms?
Yeah.
Good shit.
Don't worry, it does not have recoil.
You don't have a red dot?
No.
Oh no, it's on.
Yo, red flag coming up the side, red flag coming up the side.
We're gonna let it up. Return fire!
Didn't we?
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Bro. Okay. Here. You're definitely better with that.
Go one more on the right hand side.
Yeah. Right there on the right hand side. That gun is sick though.
Yeah, it's super sick, but it's really inconsistent and it's hard to play with.
Right? I bet. Line them up. Right on the ball.
Got him.
Right at the top, right at the top.
On top, yeah.
Yeah, up at the top.
That recoil.
Fuck. They got the flag. They're on the flag.
Get on. Yeah, put down there at the front. Yeah, he's dead.
Up top.
No, we just fucking feel like it's stupid.
We.
Oh fuck!
Oh, crap.
I think that's all 3 of you guys. Where's that coming from?
Are we like? Did we win?
I think we won like 3 times already.
Game over! That's game. Fuck me.
Fuck him.
That's game. We already got up here like 3 minutes ago.
I know.
Who threw that bomb? That's definitely Nick. If anything
Holy
goes through a
shit.
bomb, that's Nick.
Holy dude.
That first nade got all three of you guys though. It landed right there.
Bro, dude, that nade that landed there, bro, I dropped my gun. I fucking ran in that house.
Woo! Good shit.
Good shit.